Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to be talking about the truth about Pipiads and Pipiads and how you can start it, and also the coupon code and its alternative, the alternative to coupon to Pipiads spy tool. I know you guys know that Pipiads is a spy tool that you use to spy on your competitors on TikTok. So this is the truth that you need to know, the hidden truth about Pipiads. So in this video, I will just be taking you step by step on everything that you need to know concerning Pipiads. So this video, I've written a complete blog, a complete post concerning this spy tool. So what you do, just go through this post that I've written. The link will be at the below, will be below this video. Go through the video, go through the link and get access to this post so that you can go through it and know what PPAd is all about. So this is a secret about this product. This is a secret that you need to know. So first of all, this product, you can use it to do what? You can use it to spy on your competitors, and you can spy them through the country, region, category, the ad impression, the total like, the pricing, and also you can do that through the winning products, which will show you the display name, the ad text, the ad data, the ad effect, the country, the region, the device, the size, the platform the person used, either on Shopify or in e-commerce, the CTA button, as in the CTA button that they use. So you also see the TikTok URL, the link to the TikTok that the person is promoting it, and the landing page. So stay with me in this video because I will still tell you what you need to know concerning this, whether what they are doing is the right thing or not. I will still tell you. So in this thing also, you can also find winning product on ST. You can find product on ST, and you can also find product on also, it's a unique features of ST product. It's a the product name, they will show you the product name, they will show you the prices, they will show you the product link, they will show you the category, they will ask the added time and the store name. Okay, so you can also get 20% discount for those that are looking for coupon code. You can get 20% discount of this Pipiads. Once you use ODC Junior, you get 20% discount of it. So also it is written here, said Pipiads pricing and coupon code. If you are looking for PP coupon code, then you are at the right place because this code will offer you 20% discount. The 20% discount code is ODC Junior. So guys, then let's talk about the alternative. The alternative to this, the first alternative is set a trend. Set a trend, just like Pipiads. Set a trend is another platform that you can use to spy on your competitors, but the difference between them, Pipiads focus on TikTok, while Set a Trend focus on other platforms, both TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Set a Trend is more like a marketplace, but they also spy on competitors. So the second is Biggie Spy. That is the second competitor that we have with second competitor of Pipiads, or second alternative to Pipiads, is Biggie Spy. Then the third one, the third competitor that we have here is Echo Hot. Echo Hot is the next competitor that we have. Echo Hot is the next competitor. Then the last but not the least competitor is Niche Scraper. Niche Scraper is another competitor that we have. So guys, what you just do, go through this video, maybe you go it once and try as much as possible to know what you want, and also check the link below this video, check this blog post, and ensure that you go through the blog post to get every details of this PP ad, because sometimes once you don't have the right information, you end up going for the wrong product. So before you get this product, ensure that you have gone through this blog post and see the good part of it and the bad part of it, because I must assure you that every product has the part that they don't show you, and we have been able to state them in this blog. So guys, I really appreciate and I hope that you go forth and check this as we have instructed you. Thank you, and still we see again. Be sure to subscribe